Hey there, welcome to our patio. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we're bringing the seedier table with a delicious grilled fish recipe.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are grilling up some halibut and pairing it with a fresh mango salsa.
Yes, we're super excited about this recipe. The mango salsa is delicious, and we're excited that we're sharing a different type of fish that neither of us usually really cook with. So let's talk a little bit about halibut.
Yeah, so halibut is more of like a warm weather fish. You can find it in the summer, maybe early fall, but that's really when it's best.
Yeah, so perfect for grilling because we are in the warmer weather months. What I really like about this fish is it has a very mild flavor. So sometimes fish can be more of that stronger flavor, but this is a really mild one, very similar to like a cod or even a haddock. But I like it also because it's a little thicker, so it stands up to the grill a little better, so absolutely delicious on the grill.
Yeah, very filling. So we've got 3 gorgeous fillets here, and I'm going to go ahead and brush them with some olive oil so they don't stick to the grill.
Yes, and it'll just provide a little bit of flavor. We're just putting olive oil and salt and pepper on this fish because it has a really nice buttery flavor and texture on its own.
Yeah, it doesn't need much, that's for sure.
And the grill will also give it a little extra flavor. So just a little salt and pepper. And then we're also serving it with the delicious salsa, which we'll get to. So don't need too much on the actual fish.
Looks great. And so we've got our grill. It's preheated to medium heat. And I'll give you this.
So we are going to put these on our grill. The flesh side is going to go down, so that'll be touching the grill. And then we'll have the skin side facing up. Let's get these on here. These are going to cook for 3 minutes per side.
I love that sizzle.
There we go.
Awesome. I can take
Excellent.
the plate.
Thank you. All right, so I'll close this. We'll wait 3 minutes, and in the meantime, we can get started on our mango salsa.
Yes.
Star of our show is our mango.
It's one of my favorite fruits. So the mango is an interesting fruit because it has a pretty large pit in it, and it's not like an avocado where you can like cut around the pit and then peel it apart. So the pit runs lengthwise this way in the mango. So we're just going to go ahead and cut the flesh off of either side of that pit. We're just going to cut right alongside it.
And when you're choosing a mango, you want to find one that yields a little bit to pressure. That's how you'll know it's ripe, and this one looks really good.
Yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and just score the mango right in the skin here.
So very similar to how you would cut an avocado.
Yeah.
If you are trying to cube it or dice it. Just a little bit more firm.
Yeah, so you can see here, it's all nice and cubed. And so if I were at home, I eat a lot of mangoes as a snack. I would just flip it open and chow down on this.
I love that. Like, what a great thing for kids, too.
Yeah.
Slice up your mango. Here you go.
So what we're going to do is then just scoop it out of the skin.
And put it into our
It goes right in here.
bowl.
Oops.
And mango is a really sweet fruit, so it will pair really nicely with our more mild tasting fish. And then we've got some other really great fresh ingredients. And in the warmer weather months, I love making fresh salsas. It's easy to have as a snack. It's easy to pair with fish. Just serve with some chips.
Yeah, this salsa is great with just chips.
So you can make a double batch, have some with your fish, and then just keep some on hand too for a good snack.
All right.
So while Jenny is scooping these out, I'm going to talk about our next ingredients we're adding to our salsa. So we're going to be adding some Roma tomato. And we like using Roma tomato because it's not as watery as some other tomatoes, so it's really great in like salsa recipes. And then we're adding some red onion, add a nice little kick, fresh cilantro, staple in our salsa recipes.
Definitely.
Then we've got some garlic, fresh lime juice, cider vinegar, a little tangy, flavor, and then just a little bit of sugar.
All right.
And then salt and pepper. I'll just add these in quick.
And I can give this a good stir too. I love all the different flavors. It's like the salsa is sweet, but it's also tangy.
Yep.
Got a little bite from the red onion. So while I'm mixing this up, I think it's been about 3 minutes.
Yeah, so let's take a peek at our fish here. It actually looks really good.
It does look good.
You can tell that it's cooked up pretty nicely. So I'm gonna give this a flip. These look really good. All right, so I'm gonna close this here. 3 more minutes on this side and they should be ready to go. All right, so our fish should be ready to go. Let's check them out here. Oh, they look great.
Yum.
Delicious.
I've got your plate right here. Awesome.
Go.
I'll go ahead and
So
put
we
some.
know it's ready. The fish is flaking. I'm gonna go with the smaller one for us.
Thank you.
Top it with that salsa.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks so good. And like, what a nice, easy, like outdoor meal to have. You know, grill up your fish, fresh salsa. Let's
Give it a try.
Taste of the fish. I'm sure it tastes good.
Yum.
Mmm. The salsa really complements the fish.
I absolutely love this.
Yum. Well, we hope you give this recipe a try for the halibut.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.